Hey class, welcome back to my basement. So we're still doing function operations, but this time we're evaluating. So we've got numbers in here instead of the letter X. Now, this is still the same idea. It might even be a bit easier for some of you. It might be a bit more difficult for some of you. The steps are, we're going to set up the operation with brackets. That's the same thing we did last time. But then as soon as we do that, we're going to immediately sub in the number, and then we evaluate it, doing the brackets first. This is question 1 and 2 from your worksheet. I'm going to make another short video doing questions, I think, 5 and 6. And you just do all the ones I don't do, okay? So I'm giving you 4 out of the 10. Let's set this one up with the brackets. So it's h plus g. So instead of h, 3x plus 3. Plus negative 4x plus 1. Watch out for those negatives. And I'm going to, immediately after that, step 2 here is to sub in the number. The number is 10 for this question, so every x is going to have a 10 there instead. This might look a little messy because there's a lot of brackets going on, so I'm going to use a different color. Hopefully that will help a bit. It'll look like this now. 3 times 10 plus 3. As you can see, the x is being replaced by the 10 plus negative 4 times 10 plus 1. And the x is replaced by a 10 there as well. Now I've got nothing but numbers. And it's kind of like BIDMAS, so I'm going to look within the brackets first, and I'm going to multiply before I add or subtract anything. 3 times 10 is 30, and then I've got my plus 3. Negative 4 times 10 is negative 40, and then I've got my plus 1. Final 2 steps, add these guys. 33 plus negative 40 plus 1 is negative 39. So I would at this point use your calculator if you need it. The plus and the minus will just cancel out to be like a kind of minus, like this. 33 take away 39. And then my final answer is negative 6. Alright? You could maybe skip a couple steps here, depending on how comfortable you are with this. That's every step done there. So let's quickly do number 2, and then I can show you numbers 5 and 6 in a different video. I'm going to set it up the same way, but there's a negative here now, so I'm subtracting. Instead of a g, x plus 3. Take away negative x plus 4. So that's my first step. My second step is to sub in the numbers. So the number here is 3. So I'm going to have a 3 plus 3. Take away negative 3 plus 4. You see how all the x's here, there's only 2 of them, have just changed into a 3. Do the brackets first, remember. 3 plus 3, 6. Take away negative 3 plus 4 is 1. So the question just basically becomes 6 take away 1. So my answer is 5. Okay? Our attendance word will go with BLEP. B-L-E-P, BLEP. And I'll see you in the next quick video. Thank you.